Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing our April review thingy and our May goals. I'm filming this on the 9th of May, so I'm a little bit late, but April I did the makeup series. I had no buy and I also had to save a certain amount of money. I didn't save the money. I did do the no buy. And as for the makeup series, I got halfway through it, I think, so I'm pretty happy with that. April was actually such a busy month because I just had so many things on. Like so many different events and stuff, so I feel like I was pretty happy with April, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, anyway, let's talk about our May goals. So I want to do 10 of my working my way through my makeup collection videos. These are videos that I post over on Patreon. Basically about a year ago I took everything out of my makeup drawers, put it all into boxes. So yeah, about a year ago I packed up all of my makeup, put it into boxes, and like the thing was to kind of re-go through my whole collection and try it out, and it's taken me a very long time to get through that. But this month I want to film 10 of them. So far I've already filmed 2, which I'm pretty happy about, so I've got 8 more to film this month. I also only want to eat out once a week this month because 1, I'm trying to lose a bit of weight, and also 2, we're really trying to save money at the moment. Then the other 2 goals that I have on here are weight loss goals and, once again, money goals. So those are things that I probably won't see on the internet. I feel like, once again, this month I don't have a whole lot on, in the sense of like I haven't chosen too many goals because I want them to be obtainable. Next month I have some things that I really want to do, so I feel like next month is going to ramp up a little bit more. But yeah, for now I'm just kind of taking it easy but still trying to get through like a couple of things. So yeah, this was a short little video, but I just kind of wanted to, you know, keep it flowing and show you what the goals are for this month. So yeah, I'm very excited about next month. I feel like I'm really finally getting my kind of flair back and like my zest for life. I know that sounds really like silly, but and also just like being excited about videos and stuff like that again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!